Welcome to Faro Global Investors Academy. In this video, you'll be learning what you need to know and master to start investing. Sit back, relax as we reach you with knowledge. I am Faro, the CEO and co-founder of the Faro Investors Academy. This is the green light you've been waiting for to start investing. First question you should be asking yourself before you even allocate any funds to investing is, what is investing? The most straightforward and non-complex explanation of investing is that investing is the allocation of money into an asset with the expectation of a positive return in the future. Investing is a very broad topic, and you can choose to invest in ventures, such as using your money to start a business, or in assets, such as purchasing real estate in hopes of reselling it later at a higher price. In investing, investors can take a do-it-yourself approach or employ the services of a professional money manager. But for beginners, it's greatly recommended to start investing on your own, as it gives you an insight of what you're getting yourself into before someone gets any level of control over your assets. Before you start investing, it's very important for you to plan this journey and know how much you want to invest. The amount that one wishes to invest varies from individual to individual. But when I started, I used the general 10 to 15% rule, which states that you have to invest 10 to 15% of your monthly income. This was very effective for me as I got to eliminate the possibilities of using my emotions when investing. This was because investing with emotions has catastrophic repercussions, especially in the online financial markets. It's very important not to put all your eggs in one basket. So 15% of my monthly earnings were enough for investing when I was a beginner. The final decision depends on you as an investor, as there is no set figure that every investor should consider. Consistency is the way forward when it comes to investing, and starting with big sums of money does not guarantee you large profit in the volatile markets, such as the online financial markets or NAS 100 market. It's a bit different with less volatile investment portfolios such as real estate. However, the most important lesson you should master is to learn the ability to be at peace with your investment returns and avoid being greedy. The way we spend our time greatly defines who we are. It's important to start investing as early as possible in order to master the skill of growing your money through your personal investments. When it comes to investing, the earlier you start, the better. Starting to invest early allows you to maximize the benefits of compounding. Compounding is the ability of an asset to generate earnings. These earnings are then reinvested or remain invested for long-term investors with an overall goal of generating their own earnings. This is simply the process of generating more profits from startup profits. As a stocks and forex investor, the best advice I would give to a potential investor is that there will be ups and downs in the stock market, just like any other market or business. But investing young means you have decades to ride these market uptrends or downtrends. And this also gives your money a great opportunity to grow, so start now, even if it means starting small. If one decides not to invest their money, the only option that they will have left is saving their earnings. Now, if you choose to save your earnings, the greatest threat you encounter is inflation. Over time, inflation reduces the value of your savings, as prices typically go up, especially in developing countries such as South Africa and Zimbabwe. This deterioration of value mainly affects cash. If you keep 20,000 under your clothes in your bedroom, that money may not be able to buy much 15 years into the future, as inflation literally eats into the buying power of the saved hidden money. So it's wiser to invest it and let it grow. The earlier the better. The journey of 1,000 miles starts with one step. And the first step that every investor takes before they start investing is opening an investment account. There are many types of investment accounts that an investor can open. For an example, you can have a retirement investment account, which can have restrictions on when and how you can take your money in and out of the account. Another example of an investment account is the popular taxable brokerage account. This account allows you as an investor to deposit or withdraw your money anytime without any restrictions. Before you deposit your money into any investment, it's of utmost importance to understand your investment options. Understanding what you're about to get into is very important, as it removes surprises in your investment journey. Surprises are the last thing any investor wants to face once they have deposited their capital. The most favorable investment for those that are just starting includes stocks. A stock, known as an equity, is a security that represents the ownership of a fraction of a corporation. These are also known as shares of a corporation or a company. Stocks represent the ownership of a share in a company such as Apple or Facebook. Most investors prefer buying stocks from small and developing companies, as these will have a cheaper price on the stock exchange. Stocks are bought at a share price. This can range from a single-digit figure to a couple of thousands, depending on the company's value. Before buying any stock, there are many fundamentals that are taken into consideration by investors. These fundamentals will be explained in a later video, so subscribe now. The main reason why investors buy stocks is that they will be anticipating to make a profit when the stock price goes up. The growth of a company's value on the stock exchange market is the greatest influence that pushes the price of its stock up. The significant growth of the Apple stock from the day it was listed on the stock exchange up to now is a great example of how this works. An investor can also choose to invest in the online financial markets, also known as the forex market. The foreign exchange market is a global, decentralized, over-the-counter market system where currencies are traded. This market determines the exchange rates of every currency, such as the South African rand, Great British pound, and the United States dollar. The exchange of currencies is done through the buying and selling of currencies at a current or determined price. Apart from earning a profit through price movement in the forex market, there are more reasons why investors choose to invest in the forex market. This includes how easy it is to start investing in forex, high market liquidity, market transparency, and the fact that the market is open 24 hours per day, from Monday to Friday. The only way that retail investors make money on the forex market is by buying currencies when the price is low and selling them when the price goes up. Thank you so much for watching the video. Join my list of investors today and get to learn more about investing, money management, and how you can make money on your own. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel and join the Farouk Global family. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video with your family and friends. Take care.